All right, you guys, we are currently getting loaded right now. I ain't gonna lie, while we're in there, we will be carrying tissue and paper towels. You probably saying, how do you know that? I know that because they got a big old glass window and you can see inside the warehouse. So I'm already know this should be a light load, but it might seem like a lot, but it's gonna be a light load, so we ain't caring. It's currently like windy right now. I am in where am I at right now? I am in South Haven, Mississippi. It is windy as hell. I want to say this real quick, you know, before I continue with the video. For all my truck drivers out there, man, please be safe out there, man. I'm not gonna lie, I've been seeing a lot of accidents, you know, New Mexico, Chicago, just anywhere out there with the snow condition, y'all. Y'all just please stay safe out there. You know what I'm saying? You are the captain of your ship, you know what I'm saying? At the end of the day, we gotta go home to family. If you have family, just know at the end of the day, like, love yourself and be safe. Don't ever rush to get a load done, because at the end of the day, they can replace a load, but you cannot replace yourself. So y'all truck drivers out there that's driving right now, please be safe out there driving. Know what I'm saying? Much love to all the truck drivers, because that will keep, you know, the U.S. going with us driving. So y'all just be safe, and if it don't look good to drive, don't drive. But I ain't gonna, I'm probably about to drive for a little bit and then stop driving. Even though I can make it all the way there, it's so windy, I don't want to risk an accident happening. So y'all just stay safe. I just want to make that public announcement. You did what I'm saying. But what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Keep Too Legit, back with another video, back with another load, back with another truck vlog. You did what I'm saying. Before we continue with the video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to that big red button, especially if you're new to the channel. Hit that subscribe button. Also turn on that bell so you won't miss out on banger videos. You dig what I'm saying? And I know I be saying that a lot. You dig what I'm saying? But hey, watch, y'all gonna start saying that too though. So, you dig what I'm saying? Sorry. But yeah, man, I'm gonna turn the camera back on once they bring me the paperwork, because right now I am unhooked from my trailer. Yeah, I am unhooked from my trailer. And yeah, so I'm gonna catch on a little bit, because we're gonna go from there. Get to it. Alright, you guys, we are finally loaded. I have hooked up to my trailer. I done shut my door, put the seal on, put the lock. I done went in there, got my paperwork. So loaded complete so far. So like I was saying, we are carrying paper tissue and paper towels. The load only weighs 16,420, and we have 2,280 of tissue, whatever. So cool little load, light little load. It's, like I said, it's windy right now where I'm at. We're just gonna try to get as far as we can, you know, with the windy conditions right now. Safety first. This load ain't gotta be dropped off till either tomorrow or the next day. So depending on how the weather is and what's going on when I drive. But my goal is to I really want to get this job done. But like I said, a load, your life is more important than a load. So I'll remember that, y'all. Remember that. So let's go ahead and head out, hit the road, and see what it's like, you know what I'm saying? From Mississippi all the way to Kansas. So y'all just stay tuned, enjoy the video, get your popcorn, get everything situated if you're driving. Hope this video helps you throughout the day. And we'll go from there. We'll let my big dog know well, he's about to go check in. So he about to check out, but yeah, I'm gonna get with y'all once we're on the road. So I'm gonna get with y'all once we stop. So y'all just enjoy the POV drive of me going wherever I'm going, and then I'll just update y'all. So enough talking. Let's get to it. Alright, you guys, so I have shutting down for the day. I am currently in Willow Springs, Missouri. We got like 4 hours left of driving. The load ain't gotta be dropped off till I either do tomorrow or Sunday. But the good news is that since our tablet's gonna be out for a whole day, ain't got to drop the load off until Sunday. And plus, I only got like 10 hours left on my 70, so this is a great time to take my 34-hour reset and have a fresh 70 for a new week. You dig what I'm saying? Wouldn't that be smart, y'all? Like, just, I'm only 4 hours away. Load ain't gotta be dropped off till like 12 noon. I can wake up early. It's 7. Yeah, I'm good. You know what I'm saying? So, I have shut down. It is real cold. Really cold. Like, it's snowing right now. It was a little windy, but I made it through it because I was gonna stop. But I was like, you know what, Q? I'm a truck driver. I know I told y'all, like, take precautions when y'all out here driving because it has been a lot of accidents. Y'all been, you know, just keeping myself updated on it. But, yeah. But, man, so made it. If you're still watching the video, hopefully y'all are still watching the video. Comment snow. Even if you don't comment, I know you're still watching the video because you're going to leave a big like on the video, which you should have left a big like when the video first started, to be honest. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you still watching the video and you especially new. Hit that subscribe button. But I'm going to catch y'all. I'm going to catch y'all in 2 days because I'm going to take my 34-hour reset and chill. So, catch y'all. Y'all do what y'all got to do. I'm going to do what I got to do. And we go from there. That's all I got to say. Enough talking. More doing. Yeah. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning. I told y'all I was gonna tap in with y'all boys this morning, if anything. So, y'all, I got something funny to tell y'all. Remember, I know I told y'all last night I was gonna take my 34-hour reset because I mean the load, it can be dropped off today or it can be dropped off tomorrow. So, there's supposed to be an outage on our tablets. You know, starting. I thought it was gonna be starting this morning, but I read it wrong. So I know military time, but I wasn't like thinking of it like last night with me reading it. So I'm thinking they talking about, you know, 6 in the morning, but you know when it hits military time, that's basically noon. So I'm thinking like, oh well, I ain't about to get back on the road till, you know, such and such. Until, you know, Sunday, because I mean I only got 4 hour driving left now to take my 34-hour reset. Well,
take the first right.
I tell like they tell you like what's your ETA time? I was like I'll be here at, you know, this time tomorrow morning, you know. I decided to stop here and take my 34-hour reset. Whole time I'm thinking that they're supposed to be out, but it don't start till later afternoon around 6. So I'm about to go drop this load off. Like it's a drop and hook. I'm about to like, we're only 4 hours away, 4 hours like 30 minutes away. I'm about to go drop this load off. Like I feel so dumb, and you know, you learn from it. I read it wrong. I read the message wrong. Me thinking that, hey, you know, because they were talking about paper log. I don't do paper logs, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. If I can avoid paper logs, I'm gonna do whatever I can to avoid paper logs. I'm not gonna lie. Hey, nah, sometimes you might need them. But me personally, if I can avoid it or not to, trust me, I will. That's the only way I really shut down and say I was gonna take my 34-hour reset. But either way, when I drop this load off, I'm still gonna be taking my 34-hour reset because it's still gonna work out for me. So, still a win-win at the same time, but it's like, dang, I could have been away early than this and already probably pulling up or being close to it. So, but it's all good though. Hey, I'm about to still have a great day. I hope you guys having a great day. I had a good day. Whenever you're watching the video, I hope you had a good day, great day, whatever, or just starting your day and you still have a great day. I don't care. But we're supposed to be there around 2:35ish. It is currently almost 10 o'clock, 9:54. So I'm gonna get up with y'all once we are there. You dig what I'm saying? Please enjoy the video. Hope you guys enjoy the quality of the video. Y'all let me know down in the description down below. And yeah, man, let's get straight to it, man. It's a good day and it's a Sunday. It ain't windy now, so we finna hit it hard. Yeah. Know what I'm saying? Hold on. Should I hit the horn for y'all? Should I hit the horn? Fuck it. Alright, now I'm saying it's gonna be a good day. Alright, let's get to it. y'all pulled up the first time. What you doing, kid? What you doing? That's right. There you go. And pull up again. What? It's cold. Y'all, it is freezing out here in Kansas. I'm not going to care. Hold on, let me take my hat off, my hoodie on. Hold on real quick, y'all. Jeez, it is cold out here. Oh, but we finally made it. Bro, woo, it's cold, man. It's, I don't want to touch none of this. I don't even want to touch it. I don't even want to touch it. Woo. It's cold out here, but even my thing's froze. It's a hard night life out here. Jeez. Oh my. Woo. Oh, I know y'all already been in Kansas. Y'all come with me. It's cold. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh, Lord. Oh. I see it. All right, y'all, hold on. Y'all give me a second. All right, y'all, landing gear is done, as y'all can see. Now we just got to get my lock off. So they do not have no empties for me, y'all, so I will not be grabbing an empty. So I will be bobtailing out of here. That's how you know, look. That's how you know it's solid. Crazy. Let me get this lock. Come on. There we go. My lock. Oh, it is running. Oh my goodness. Yo, hold on. All right, y'all, like I was saying, we are about to bobtail out of here because they don't have no empties for me. So we will be bobtailing until we get our trailer, until they can give me a trailer. But assignment well done. It is -2 here in Topeka, Kansas. I'm not gonna lie. I'm about to buy me a hat. I got a hoodie. Y'all got a hoodie that heats up. I just don't. It's in my bag. I'm about to be using that. I'm not gonna lie. -2. Then they're supposed to go down to -4. Y'all make sure y'all here staying warm and bundling up out here on this road, because it's getting real out here in this field. Getting real. You know what I'm saying? But we are done. If y'all enjoyed the video, make sure y'all leave a big like on the video, comment something positive down below, and if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Like I said, roll to 2,000 subscribers. Let's get your boy there. Share my video, share my channel, watch all my other videos, because you know what I'm saying, your boy get the job done around here. Like I said, we some road runners. We're basically traveling across the, about across the world every single day. You dig what I'm saying? So you don't want to miss out. But until next time, I'm gonna catch you on the next video. Love and appreciate every single one of y'all, and I'm gonna stay out here. I'm gonna keep trucking and staying warm. You know what I'm saying? So keep them hands warm. But I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. I'm out.